Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Kitchen mixer tap from LIVARNO Home. High quality tap in a modern design. Cold start, eco stop with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manual. And there's the tap. Two flexible connection hoses. Blue, it is the cold water. Red, it is the warm water. The connection for the tap, both. And here we have the connection for the main water supply. And I have just realized this is a small connection. So definitely it is not compatible with my water supply connection. I don't like that. I think I will return back this product. When selling a tap in my country, they need to ensure that all the necessary parts for proper installation are included, so customers don't have to search for additional parts. Thumbs down. We have the threaded tube. It will help you to hold the tap at your countertop, at your sink. Metal washer, silicone washer goes here. But first you need to install, if you choose to keep this tap, we have marks inside for the cold and warm water. So install inside, you don't want any tools, just with your hand. And it is very thick, I don't like that. And the second. Tie it very well. Remove the stickers. And then you need to install this thread inside here. But first you need to install this fastening triangle, depending what type of countertop you have and the length of the hole. And then insert the first flexible tube, then the second, and that will go here. Remove this huge plastic nut. Tight it until it will lock, and then use the nut. We have a silicone ring around this sealer. Nice. And that's how you can install this tap at your countertop. The Allen key, flexible tap, you can adjust it. Wow, I like it. 360 degrees rotation, that's very nice. I like it. And if you want, you can remove this upper area with a tool, the filter, and clean it. Rotate that. You can choose the cold or the warm water. Eco mode, 100%, and again eco mode and off. Eco on, eco off. For the warm and for the cold the same. It is available and on a black color, this flexible area. Glossy. I like it, and it cost only 30 euros. And if you want, you can remove this handle, use the Allen key, remove this cover, And why you want to do that? Well, we have in this metal ring, you can remove that and you can replace the mixer inside. So if your tap has any leaks around here, you can remove that, replace the mixer, and that was all. It cost only 3 to 5 euros. It is very cheap. It depends the brand, of course, what type of tap you have. And then install again the handle. Nice. So that is all about this tap, kitchen tap. As I mentioned, these are not compatible with my main water supply, as you can see in the picture. So I will not keep this kitchen mixer tap, I will return it. Of course I can use an adapter, but I don't want to use an adapter. As I mentioned, when you are selling a product in my country, definitely you need to have all the necessary parts for proper installation. I don't want to search around for additional parts. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If this video helped you, make sure you are subscribed and have hit that notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video.